How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your Samsung screen from turning off. So there's two ways that you can go about it. The first way is through the phone settings, and you need to enable developer options. So I'll show you how to do that now. Open up your settings and scroll to the right bottom to find the About Phone section. And then from here, choose Software Information, and then locate your build number and tap it 7 times. And enter in your passcode. That'll enable developer options. So after you've done that, come out and you'll see developer options appears. So there's a feature called Stay Awake, which means if you enable it, your phone screen will stay on. However, your phone must be charging for the screen to stay on, so this can consume quite a bit of battery. The other option is using a third-party app called Screen Stay Awake. So if you come to the Play Store and download that, if you open it up, you can see the third option down. There is an always bar, which means the screen will always stay awake and you won't have to charge it. So enable that and then give the app permission, and then come back in and enable it, and the screen will always stay awake. So that's two different ways you can stop the Samsung screen from turning off. Thank you for watching.